Hi! Now that the Iris Clarity app is all set up, I wanted to share some quick tips and tricks with you to make sure you're always getting the best possible audio experience. The first one is about the background noise slider, so let's take a look. If you open the Iris Clarity app from the Windows taskbar, either here or by clicking on this up arrow here, you'll notice a little background noise slider in the speaker section of the interface. This little slider basically allows you to incrementally control how much noise reduction is applied to the customer's audio. All the way to the left, and we're letting no noise through at all. You'll only hear the voice. As we move it to the right, we're allowing more and more noise through until the far right-hand side turns Iris Clarity off. So you'll be getting the voice from the customer and any noise that might be present. Now, the default, you'll notice, is about 20%, as you can see here. This is, in our experience, the best location for the slider because it cancels most of the noise, but allows a small amount through, which is helpful when the customer's softly spoken, for example, or where some of your calls are low volume. So that's the default, and you typically won't need to move it from here. However, there are some cases where you might need to make a slight adjustment. For example, if your customers frequently call you on speakerphone, or they're very quietly spoken, or your calls are consistently at a low volume, it might be necessary to slide it a little bit further to the right, which you can do on a call to see if it improves the quality in these situations. It's all about finding the right setting for the types of call audio that you deal with, and once you've found the right balance for your calls, you can close Iris Clarity and go about your day, knowing that if you need to make a slight adjustment, the slider is available for you within a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching.